your little foot up. Huh? You snorting? Is that what I sound like when I'm snoring? You're funny, Char. Are you tired? You got your foot up. Hi, baby girl. Yeah. Just hanging out on your net. Oh, you ain't sleeping? I hear your brothers. I'm gonna have to go in there in a minute, aren't I? Yeah. It's so windy outside. I know. You're tired, aren't you? It's okay. Oh, okay, baby. I'll leave you alone.